We all know that PCBs comprise multiple layers, but how are these layers connected to establish electrical continuity? Via solves this problem. They are miniature conductive pathways drilled into the PCB to establish electrical connectivity between the different layers. Basically, a via is a vertical trace in a PCB. A PCB manufacturer's ability to drill vias with precision that exactly meets the designer's specifications distinguishes them as a leader in the industry. There are three types of vias: through-hole, blind, buried, and microvias. Microvias are drilled with lasers and have smaller diameters than through-hole vias. The depth of a microvia is not more than 2 layers. The aspect ratio of a microvia is equal to the ratio of drill depth to the diameter of the drilled hole. This parameter decides the reliability of a PCB. The ideal aspect ratio for microvias is 0.75 to 1. These are classified into stacked and staggered microvias depending on their alignment. Stacked vias are piled on top of one another in different layers. Staggered vias are scattered in the different layers. In the case of a via-in pad, the drilled hole is present right below a pad. For instance, the via is placed within the pad of a surface mount component. This technique shrinks the signal path length, which reduces the parasitic inductance and capacitance effect. The via technology implemented by your PCB manufacturer could make or break your product, so choose wisely.